there is a road under there somewhere. A good 2 to 3 feet of sand and silt. Get back onto the road base here, and then I think we'll have to cart in some material to just build the road up so it doesn't happen again. And then dumping it back up the field and try to fill in some of these crevasses that have all washed down. And great, the rain started again. Oh well, let's get on. Field maintenance or field recovery, whatever you call it. You're not going to see out that window there, but that's it there. Just absolute pure silt and sand. A great big bulldozer would have been the machine for it. If anyone has one, wants to have a play about with it at the weekend, gives a shout.